Size is often misleading sometimes. Large bugs have a terrifying appearance or resemble something horrible from another planet, which frequently instills dread and anxiety. The deadliest insects, on the other hand, aren't always the biggest or scariest to look at. Regardless of their size or appearance, many bugs in our environment should be feared and avoided at all costs. In this video, we compile a list of the top 10 most dangerous bugs on the planet. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and before we start the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 10. Bullet Ant. The bullet ant is the biggest species of ant on the planet. The majority of them may be found in jungles of Nicaragua and Paraguay. Bullet ants are so called because their sting is so terrible. The person would feel as though he or she had been shot after being bitten. According to some estimates, a bullet ant sting is 30 times more severe than the sting of a wasp or honeybee. Locals refer to the 1-inch long bullet ant as the 24-hour ant, since it's active at all hours of the day. Due to the fact that it causes one full day of anguish, followed by its sting, bullet ant colonies may include hundreds of individuals in each colony. Number 9. Botfly. Botfly larvae are parasites that live inside the bodies of animals. Unfortunately, the harmful larvae may also be found living under the skin of humans, where they can cause serious health problems. The human botfly is mostly found throughout the Central and South America, with a few exceptions. A parasite infection known as myiasis causes significant alterations in the skin's tissues. The immature female botflies placed their eggs in the skin of animals when they were young. The larvae enter via the skin and remain in the subdermal zones of the human skin for more than 60 days, depending on the species. Number 8. Fleas. Fleas are external parasites that feed on the blood of people, birds, reptiles, and other wild and domestic animals, among other things. Fleas have the potential to generate irritating areas on the skin of their hosts. Fleas are barely the size of the tip of a pen, yet they multiply at an astonishing rate. Every female flea can lay up to 2,000 eggs throughout the course of her life. Flies are found in about 2,000 different species around the globe. Fleas may devour a volume of blood that's more than 15 times their own body weight when they are young. The bites of fleas on the human body appear as red pimples. They are most typically seen around the waist, knees, and elbows of people. Flea bites are very irritating, and they have the potential to cause illnesses. Number 7. Fire ants. A total of 285 distinct species of fire ants may be found around the globe. Whenever they were disturbed, they would sting the intruder many times. The sting of a fire ant is quite unpleasant as well. A white pustule created by a fire ant sting might remain open for many weeks. In addition, its poison would cause a variety of skin ailments. Attacking fire ants are often carried out in swarming groups consisting of tens to hundreds of ants. Fire ant venom may also cause an allergic response in certain people. Number 6. Kissing bug. Kissing bugs develop by sucking the blood of vertebrates as they expand in size. Kissing bugs are so called because they have a propensity of biting the inside of a human's lip as they sleep. They're also known for transmitting a parasite known as Trypanosoma cruzi. Every year, 12,000 individuals are killed by the kissing bug sickness, sometimes known as Chenga's. The Chenga sickness spreads to animals and pets in the same manner that it does to humans. The kissing bug bite causes immediate changes in the victim's body, such as welts and rashes, as well as swelling and discomfort. Number 5. Giant Japanese hornet. The giant Japanese hornet is the biggest species of hornet in the world, with a wingspan of almost 2 feet. They may grow to be as large as 2 inches in length. The sting of a Japanese hornet is responsible for up to 40 fatalities every year, according to statistics. When exposed to the venom of the Japanese hornet, an allergic response occurs, and tissues are disintegrated within minutes. The persistent stinging from the group of hornets has the potential to be fatal in certain cases. Number 4. Tsetse Flies. Tsetse flies are the worst biting insects on the planet, and they are endemic to Africa. They prey mostly on vertebrates and feast on their blood. The very hazardous insects inject a toxic chemical into each string of their stinger. Tsetse flies are believed to have claimed the lives of almost 500,000 individuals in Africa as a result of their assault. The venom of tsetse flies causes sleeping sickness in the sufferer during the main stage of the disease. However, if not treated properly, it might be deadly. Number 3. Killer bees. Killer bees are sometimes referred to as Africanized honeybees in certain circles. It's one of the most aggressive and dominating insects on the planet, with a population of over 100 million individuals. The swarm of killer bees pursues the victim for more than a mile after he has been stung. They attacked as a group and stung the members of the group repeatedly. Human faces and eyes are the primary targets of killer bees. Number 2. Driver ants. The driver ants has the biggest colony of any insect on the planet, dwarfing all others combined. Each colony of driving ants may have as many as 22 million individuals. Even elephants would flee if a bunch of driving ants launched a coordinated assault on them. They make an effort to kill off all animals that come into their path, even humans. In a single raid, driver ants are known to kill thousands of different creatures of various species. It's via the use of their powerful mandibles that they inflict repeated wounds on animals and people. Driver ants also invade the nests of the other insects in search of food, killing them in the process. Number 1. Mosquito. Mosquito are one of the most hazardous bug species on the face of the planet. Every year, this terrible bug contributes to the death of 1 million people by spreading the fatal malaria illness. In addition to carrying malaria germs from one location to another, mosquitoes transmit pathogens into the blood of the victims by biting them. According to the World Health Organization, a child dies from malaria every 30 seconds, and there are 500 million malaria cases recorded every year. That brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching, and let us know in the comments if you've ever faced the deadliest bug. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.